all by myself. She can't do it alone. She needs some help. He started the fire without any help, on his own. He repaired the tire on his own. She changed the oil all by herself. He did it. He hacked the bank all by himself. He tied his tie on his own. He rode the amusement park ride by himself. She rode her bike on her own. He didn't do the skateboard on his own. She does all the cooking on her own. He left his parents. He's living on his own. He didn't build the house by himself. He had help. He can't do it on his own. He needs some help. The end.